Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad waj'al faludam ajmain. Allah created 5 revered personages in Islam whose names are: first one is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second one is Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. Third one is Hazrat Bibi Fatima Zahra salamullah alayha. Fourth one is Hazrat Imam Hassan alayhi salam. Fifth one is Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam.